Hey everyone, it's Brian. One question that we get fairly often is what happens if I forgot my password? If you've forgotten your password, just come to the website, click on my account in the upper right hand corner, and it'll bring you to the login screen. And down here you'll see a link that says forgot your password. Just click on that link, and all you need to do to reset your password is enter your email address for your account, and it will email you a link to reset your password. So it's actually fairly simple, we hope, but it'll send an email asking you to verify your email address and give you the opportunity to reset your password. If you do have any problems resetting your password, feel free to contact us by email at sales, S-A-L-E-S, at treasuredlocks.com. Give us the email address you used to create your account and your name, and we'll find it for you. Or just contact us through chat, which is down here in the lower right-hand corner. Again, give us the email address, and we should be able to look it up for you and get you set up. So if you have any other problems, just, of course, always let us know. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.